Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will explore different sizes like light, lighter and lightest. Now observe the given picture carefully. The ball is light. The balloons are lighter and the quill is lightest. Now let's have a little activity. Write 1 for light, 2 for lighter and 3 for lightest. I hope you will love this activity. So students, keep learning and keep drawing. See you soon.